Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to calculate the initial cost value using NWCR method, means Northwest Cost Rule method. So before that we should know about the rules for the NWCR method. Here are the rules. The first rule is the matrix is checked whether it is balanced or not. Then the calculation is started from the northwest corner of the matrix. Then here the Si is the supply and the D is the demand. The third rule is if Si means the supply is less than the D means the demand of a column and row, then cost is marked with the supply and the demand will be demand minus supply, and if the supply is greater than demand then cost is marked with demand and the supply will be supply minus demand. The above steps will be repeated until all the supplies and demands value are 0. Once the supply and the demand value of a row or column is 0, then the corresponding row or column is terminated or excluded from the matrix. Here are the rules we need to follow for the calculation of the initial cost rule using NWCR method. Now this is the question that we need to solve. First we need to check whether the matrix is balanced or not. So we can check by adding the supplies value and adding the demands value. If the total supplies and demand values are equal, then this is a balanced matrix. So first calculate. So 250 plus 300 plus 400 is 950. Then 200 plus 250 plus 275 plus 250 equals to 950. Here the northwest corner of the matrix is here. Here the numbers in the tables are the cost, and the right side of the values are supplies and the bottom of values are the demands. Now the northwest corner is the 11 box, then we need to calculate from there. Here the supply value is 250 and the demand value is 200. Then we should mark the 11 box with the 200 and the supply value and the demand value will be 0, and the supply value will be deducted to 200, that means it will be 50. Now the demand value is 0, then thus this column will be terminated from the matrix. Now the remaining matrix is this. Now again we start. Here the supply value is 50 and the demand value is 225. The less value is 50. Then it will be the cost will be marked with the supply value. The supply value is 0 and the demand value is 175. Now the supply value is 0, so it will be terminated from the matrix. The remaining matrix is this. Now the northwest corner of the matrix is 18. Now the demand value is 175 and the supply value is 300. The less is 175 and the cost is marked with 175, and it will be 0 and the supply value is 125. Then this column is terminated from the matrix. The remaining matrix is this. Now the supply value, now the northwest corner of the matrix is here. So the supply value is 125 and the demand value is 275. So the cost is marked with the less value that means the supply value, then it is 0 and this will be 150. Now this is the supply value is 0, then this will be terminated. Now the matrix is, the remaining matrix is this. Now the northwest corner of the matrix is here. Now the supply value is 400 and the demand value is 150. The less 150 is the less, then the cost is marked with 150 and this will be 0 and this will be 250. Now the remaining matrix is this, so this will be marked with supply value and this is 0 and this will be 0. So all the demand and supply values are 0, then this is complete. Then the initial cost value is initial cost